Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're focusing on a word that often confuses people, mischievous. Many mistakenly pronounce it as mischievous, adding an extra syllable. But by the end of this video, you'll say it correctly with confidence. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is mischievous, only 3 syllables. First, we have miss, which sounds just like in mistake. Next, ch, which is a soft and quick sound, almost like ch in chuckle. Finally, vuz, where vuz rhymes with bus. Now let's put it all together slowly. Mischievous. Try repeating after me. Mischievous. Now a little faster. Mischievous. And at full speed, mischievous. Keep practicing and soon it will feel completely natural. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Mischievous describes someone who likes to play tricks or cause playful trouble. It often refers to someone being sneaky or cheeky in a fun way, like a mischievous child playing pranks. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce mischievous and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.